It is a beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest here. Just a simple view of my garden. We're trying to sustain ourselves. You know, in this world of ours, we just don't know what's coming next. So I have beets, I have carrots, I have tomatoes, I have weeds. Lots of carrots. My carrots are actually flowering, but they're not ready yet. They're really tiny when you pull them. It's so funny. And then lots of potatoes. They're almost ready to go. Some more tomatoes, some more carrots, and broccoli, and some fennel, and lots of tomatoes. Things have gotten so expensive. I went to the farmer's market last week and I got 2 pounds of tomatoes and just a little bit of squash, maybe 2 pounds of squash, maybe 3. And it was $26. $26 for potatoes and squash. This world has gone crazy. But I digress. I just wanted to share some views of some beautiful plants in the Pacific Northwest on a beautiful, beautiful day. You might be hearing my chickens. Yes, I have chickens. My squash is not doing so well. And there they are. Look, look, there they are. They're hungry. It's feeding time. I know it's pretty gross, but it's what they love. They love grubs. And they know I'm coming with a treat for them. They really want to get that treat. They're pretty cool chickens. So, I don't know if I can open this and keep the video going, but I shall try. Let's see if I can't keep them in. Because they will try to get out. Come on, babies. Let's go. No. Here we go. So these birds they want my food. They will peck at it. They will come up and try to get it. And here you go, girls. They're good chicken. This is really just a treat. They have a feeder and they have waterers and they have all kind of food, but they love those grubs. So they come out for the grubs. And it's a joy to have them. I give them watermelon. That was their watermelon from this morning. So it's a hot day. They need that cold watermelon. Let's come over here to the coop and see if we have any eggs. I think we have an abundance of eggs today. Look at that. They spilled out actually. So I have green eggers and brown eggers. Some of these eggs are fake. I don't know if you can tell if they are and which ones are fake or not, but they're the really, really dirty ones. The clean ones are the good eggs, the ones that the chickens just laid this morning actually. Because I pick them up every day. But quite a few eggs there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So maybe one laid one last night because I only have 7 chickens. And they should just lay one a day. But we really do depend on these eggs, especially how much it costs nowadays. It's a blessing to have them. So that was it. I just wanted to share a little bit of my little farm life. It's tough around here. I'm wishing everybody the best. And little flighty birds. So take care, and I'm signing off. Bye-bye now.